How can you change the way you react, the way you perceive a situation or a person? By learning, understanding, and reprogramming your subconscious mind with all the old self-sabotaging programs that are deeply stored there. Reprogramming your subconscious mind is a process. It doesn't happen overnight, so it requires patience, but I promise you, it's the most magical journey where you go beyond all those limitations that you may think, now, it's my personality. It's just who I am and how I am. How you think, how you act, and how you feel is called your personality. Your personality creates your personal reality. So, to change your personal reality, you have to change your personality. And I'm here to help you in a journey of healing depths, connecting you with your innermost and true self, which is hidden inside you behind all the limitations you carry on the outside of it.